Good morning, everyone. This is Jomar Hilario, and you're about to listen to the webinar entitled The Fastest Mistake Free Way to Jumpstart Your Online Business, even if you don't have a product or if you're not a techie. If you are hearing this, can I get a yes from you? Just type the word yes in the questions box so we can get started. Tonight, we'll also announce to you the winners of the contest that we ran on Facebook. The contest is a photo contest, and we had two rounds of that. The last round being decided upon by team of virtual assistants, and they have a winner. And the winner, if you're here for the contest, is the grand prize winner is a recipient of my 24,000 peso online mentoring club. It's a 1 year mentoring where we will force you to make money online. Is that a good idea? What do you think? Have you ever heard of an online mentoring which forces you to earn money online and is designed for people who know a little bit of the internet and designed for people who don't have products, and it's designed for people who are not a techie and it's not even selling anything yet. So that's the online mentoring club, and the grand prize winner will get that 24,000 peso value 1 year mentoring from me if they won. So let's find out who won. Do you want to know? Let me ask you guys. Which one do you want to know first? The winner of the contest or the what is the fastest mistake-free way to jumpstart your online business? What do you prefer to go first? Latency. Okay. One day it's going to be sabay, but no, it's not sabay. Okay, so let's start with this. Um, I'm gonna build a mind map while this is happening. I don't know Manix. I don't think Manix is around because I think he's training somewhere. So on your screen, you should be seeing a blind mind map, and we're gonna start with the fastest way to jumpstart an online marketing business. And there are two cases. Okay, there are two cases. So how do you jumpstart an online business? So we start first with let's find out if your brain can handle online business. What do you think? Can your brain handle online business? Some people's brains can't. You know that? They can't accept the truth. Some people's brains can. Since this is completely online, you can keep your secret if you don't understand what I'm about to say. Let's see. The first case is you're walking down some street and then you found something that dropped paper. Somebody dropped a bunch of paper. Okay. And that bunch of paper contains a list of emails. And the title of that list of emails is Customers of X. Customers of X, whatever X is. You don't know who that person is? Customers of X. And apparently, these people, some of them, they purchased Y. Okay. They purchased Y. Jomar, what's a Y? I don't know, you just picked it up. You know what I mean? There's a piece of paper on the floor, nobody's around, and these are customers of X, a person's name, a company's name, and these people purchased Y. So that's scenario number one. You're just walking and you find that. So that's scene number one. Let's go to scene number two. Again, if you guys are saying, what is he talking about? Oh, then maybe your brain isn't meant for online marketing. So let's see. Maybe you can wrap your head around scenario number two. Scenario number two is you you create an ebook or a book. An ebook is a book you never publish. It's just in the internet or a book. Right. Now it doesn't matter if you know how to create one or you don't know how to create one. This is all hypothetical. Obviously, you were not walking and there was really no paper being dropped. Hypothetical. Can you type that in? Hypothetical. Again, this is a challenge. Can your brain understand this or not? Let's see. Jomar, are you insulting me? No. I'm asking you, can you understand what I'm trying to say? Okay? Because this is very critical. You have to wrap your brain around this concept. So you create a book or an ebook. If you're already rebelling against that situation, then this is not for you. Okay? So this is hypothetically you create an ebook and a book, and then maybe a 12-page document, whatever that is. 12-page MS Word document. Maybe that's less scary. And then you send it off to people. You get them to read it. Yeah. And then you get people asking you about it. So they email you back asking you about that write up. Let's call it an essay. They email you back asking you about their essay, and then you reply, and then they email again, and then you reply, and then they say thanks. Okay. Now this gets repeated for about 100 times, and so there's 100 emails. Okay. And for the sake of equality, the paper contains 100 emails of customers of X who purchased Y. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. I'm ready. We're ready. So between scenario one and scenario two, you picking up a bunch of emails and you talking to 100 human beings about the contents of your 12-page essay, which doesn't exist yet, just hypothetically, which one is more valuable? Okay, vote please. Nobody will see your answer. I will not say you got the wrong answer. Okay, there is a right answer, there is a wrong answer. I will not admit to the world that you got the wrong one, but make sure you just evaluate yourself while you are answering this. Which one is more valuable to you? One or two? Come on, come on. Valuable to you. The question is, in case you didn't get the question, which one is more valuable to you? Because the topic is online marketing, the topic is online business. I need to understand if you understand this concept. Scenario one, you're walking, you pick up a piece of paper, contains the emails of people who purchased Y from a person called X. You don't know who it is. Scenario two is 100 emails of human beings emailing you about a 12-page thing you've done. Okay. I got the answers already. Thank you for the answers. Thank you for the answers. Okay, I will give you a definitive. I will guide you into getting the right answer until you get it. Okay? Is that good? I will guide you into getting the answer. Between scenario 1 and 2, which one has a stronger relationship with you? Which list? Which list has a stronger relationship with you? Hey, come on. Answer. Which list has the stronger relationship with you? Can you do it? Can you do it? Wow. The people in the list of number one, do they know your name? Maybe that's the question. List number one, do they know who you are? You picked it up on the floor, on the ground. Anybody have any illusions that list number one knows who you are? This is just a bunch of emails on a piece of paper that you pick up on the floor. So, would they have a better relationship with you than list number two? Yes or no? So, let's do a votation again. Which list is more valuable to you as an online marketer? Online marketer. Which one list is more valuable to you as an online marketer? Let's see if there are people still making a mistake. I'm not answering the answer. Wow, there's still people making mistakes. Wow, that's incredible. Hmm. And it's great that you're putting question marks because at least I understand that it's still not clear. Okay. So, let me just backtrack a little bit. Do you buy from strangers on a regular basis? Actually, yes and no. The people in the mall, you don't know who they are. You don't know their names, right? The people, yung mga tindera ng mga buko pie, you don't know who they are. But you buy from them, right? Why do you buy from them? Why do you buy from the magtataho? There, he's a stranger, you don't know his name. Why do you buy from him? Why do you pay the bus? You don't know the bus driver's name. Why? You actually do buy from strangers. But Annie said it right. You buy from them because you trust them. You trust them because you see them often. You see them always there. The magtataho is always there. The bus driver is always there. The or you don't see them often, but you know the product. The product has a brand. The brand is something you see on TV. Therefore, that's what you want, right? It's something that you want, right? And why did you see it on TV? Because they purchase TV ads or their newspaper ads, right? Right. Okay, now let's hypothetically you send an email to both lists. To list one, you send an email asking to buy from you. Which list will send say yes or yes, I'm gonna buy, and which list will say no or it will ignore you? You send them both an email asking you to buy from you. Let's see. Which list will make pansin-pansin your email more? List one or list two? Wow. Can somebody please explain me while people in a list will buy more from you? Okay, why would the first list buy from you? Number one, do they know you? Yes or no? The first list, do they know you? Yes or no? So tell me, if you answered number one, why would the first list buy more? Why? Why would the first list buy more? Tell me. Why would they buy more? So let me finalize this. I want to move forward with this one. Okay. So if I ask you again, and can you type again? So it limits the question from. Can you type again? I'll type. Can I ask you again? Which list is more valuable to you when you start selling to them? List one, list two. When you type in the email addresses in your, Excel or your Gmail, yeah. Which one will make pansin-pansin to you? Which one will buy from you if you sell to them? Go ahead, Annie. Why are you confused? Go ahead. Well, it's confusing if you just came in and you don't know what I'm talking about. But anyway, the first list, you picked up a piece of paper containing email addresses of 100 human beings. The second list are a list of email addresses of people you've talked to about your essay, which is 12 pages long. That's the difference between the two lists. And if you came in late, sorry, can't help you. So are we clear about that? Finally, guys, can you type in which list is more important to make? List a list of, can you just hope that you'll pick up an email list on the street, or will you just make an email list from people talking to you? What do you think? I would prefer you answered incomplete sentence. Wala na talaga tayo dyan. Ang sagot, tanong ko lang naman, aling list? Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's move on. Thank you very much. Everybody got the answer right. The answer is list two. Okay? The answer is list two. Picking up a random set of email lists from anywhere, even if a friend gave it to you, even they stole it from a database of a credit card company, that's a useless list. You cannot make money from those kinds of lists. Okay? Because they have no relationship with you. They don't know who you are. They don't care if you live or breathe. Why should they email you back when you try to sell them anything? The only people who will buy from you are those you've talked to in the past. Okay, so we are done with the scenario. If your brain took that, if you were able to understand that number two is right, then great. If not, then reevaluate. Why do you think people who don't know you will buy from you versus people who know you? That is really strange. Okay, so let's move on. So what you're going to do is not make an ebook. That's weird. Okay, people don't start a business by making an ebook. You start off with remembering two letters. Okay, two letters. The first letter is P, and the second letter is S, as in PS. PS, I love you. Yeah. So just remember two letters. After this, we'll discuss the how to continue this in the online mentoring club, or you can do it yourself. And then we're gonna talk about the winner of the contest. Okay, are you ready to learn? Say yes if you're ready to learn. Okay, let's start. You put the P and S on the side and discuss. We'll discuss something weird first. When you do online marketing, the biggest problem would be making money from it. Okay, they say you make money from information. The problem is information is free online. Is it right? Is information free online? So if it's free online, the question would be why should people buy, right? Right? That's your question. If you're gonna sell information and people can Google it, why should people buy? Here's a question for you. If you're asking that, why do people buy books? The books contain information, correct? The information can be found in the internet. Yes. Why do people pay to buy books? Do you know the answer? And don't tell me it's because they're buying the paper and not the words. Why do you think people buy books? If people buy books, is it possible? Is it possible that people will buy information online? Because information is in books and people still buy books today. And before you tell me people buy books because it's printed on paper, people still buy ebooks. That is witnessed by all those Kindle ebooks that you see online in Amazon. People still buy ebooks, even if it's not printed on paper. So, if that is possible, today people are still buying and selling information in book form, then is it possible that people will buy information online? And the answer is, do you know the answer? Do you know the answer? Remember, ebooks, you can't put that on a shelf. Okay? What books have is already answered by Mike, and the answer is it's consolidated, or it's the info is together. Okay, that's a Tagalog for consolidated. Consolidated. So that's why people buy the books or the ebooks, because the info is put together in a way that it's easy to understand and stuff like that. So that's where we're gonna get into our letters P and S. The first P, the kind of information people want to buy, should be pleasant. Pleasant, not just pleasant. It should be pleasantly, and these are lots of P's. Okay, pleasantly presented, and this is just a bunch of P's. Point of view, personal problems. That's it. The first part of what people will buy, the first part is the P, and that's the pleasantly presented point of view personal problems. So if you are gonna handle something like your mind is in the stock market, so your mind is in the stock market, for example, a pleasantly presented point of view personal problem is how do I start it is cannot be said. It has to be pleasantly presented, which means you cannot use something like how to start in stock market. Is that pleasant? Is that personal? Does it use your point of view? You judge, man. Does it sound great? How to start in stock market, which is a standard question, really. Does it sound like you're having a good time? Is it using your point of view? Is this really how you ask questions? It looks very standard. So if you can rephrase this into something more pleasant, then maybe you can sell your ebook or whatever it is you're selling. And how about this? How to make, I'll just use the same form, how to make millions in the Philippine stock market. Is it better? Or, just for fun, tabunan ko kayo, how my maid invests in the stock market. Is it now personal? Is it now pleasant? Is it presented from a certain point of view? Do you get it? Do you get it? It's very easy. It's just a use of words. You're trying to go into a world of stock market, but instead of being boring, you present it personally using your point of view, and you make it pleasant. You make it pleasant for the reader to buy your stuff. Now, we're not talking about ebooks here. No. This is not an ebook. This is just a concept you want to bring out to the world. Okay. That's the P. Okay. Let's go to the S, because the first part is the P and the second part is the S. And the S is a bunch of S's too. So, okay. So the S is actually self research. Who's doing the research? Either you or somebody you hire. Who's doing the research? You or somebody you're gonna. Can you answer my question? It's simple. Okay. It's step by step. Okay. It stems again from your point of view, meaning your point of view will never leave the second part. It will always be there, just like it was in the first part, the S, the P. And what is it? What is it? Do you know what it is? It's a solution. It's self research, simple step by step, stems from your point of view solution. So up here is a problem, and down here is a solution. The problem is stated pleasantly. Okay. It's using your point of view. It has a personal aspect to it, like the maid invests in the stock market. Who's maid? Bo Sanchez is maid. Oh, okay. So that's very personal. And then the answer for that question is you researched it, or you hired somebody to research it. You presented it in a simple way. You presented it step by step. It's taking it from your point of view. Oh, there's something missing. Another S. And it's full of stories. That's not right. Stories, plural. It's full of stories. And this is essentially what you're going to put out to the world. This is still not an ebook, by the way. Stop thinking ebook. No, nobody's thinking ebook. I'm just telling you, this is not an ebook. This P and S formula, okay, is how you will present the information. Okay, so the information is, oh, my maid, she invests, this is her name, this is what she did in the first month, blah blah blah, and this is what she did. She went to citysecondline.com, she registered, she asked me for help, I helped her, and it is all personal, it's stories, and it's a solution to the question how the maid invests in the stock market, or how to make millions in the stock market. And that's just one aspect of what you're going to do online. Now, let me go through the actual thing. Okay. So this, are you clear so far? Yes? Sabi mo, yes, I'm clear. So if whatever you're doing online doesn't have the P's and the S's, then you know why you're not making money at all. Because you're probably doing stuff that it's not pleasant, that it's not your own point of view, it's not step by step, it doesn't have stories, it doesn't show the problem and solution. Maybe that's why you're not making money. The only What we're going to use now to make convert this into money, and we're almost done with the formula, is simply to be patient. Is anybody here patient? Can you say me? Can you type I am patient to grow my business online? Because if you're here for money next month, you should become a virtual assistant. So are you patient to grow your business online? If you're patient, then you're in the right place. If you're not patient, you should become a virtual assistant, because we are not talking about becoming a virtual assistant. We're talking about building an online business. And what we're going to do to show that patience is to use two F's. Two F's. The two F's is the feast formula. And I don't know if you know this, but let me show you. Month one and month two in your life. Okay. In month one, you will discuss half of. Okay, let me just do this. You have to decide what topic you're going to, what problem you're gonna solve. Okay, so let's talk about made invest in the stock market. Okay, that's the problem you're gonna solve. Made invest. This is an example. If you don't want this example, then come up with your own. Okay. So in month one, it's called the feast formula because this is the format of the feast by Bo Sanchez. For 2 weeks, 1 month, 4 topics. So that's month one, and you're gonna break it down to one, two, three, 4 topics. Yes. In month two, you're going to solve the that's S, right? Solve the month one. Okay. So this is the P, present it well, and this is the S, solve it with stories. Okay. So those are four, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. The numbers are weeks. My goodness gracious! If you forgot, weeks. Okay. What is that number? It's a number of weeks. You find it in the calendar. Okay. For every week, you're going to put something in your Facebook, for example, that discusses this problem. This discusses the fears of the maids and stuff like that. Discusses your concern that they will grow old and be poor. All those things. Pleasantly presented personal point of view for the first month. Is that good? Did you get that? For 4 weeks, you will discuss the problem, pleasantly presented. And if you don't know how to make pictures, you better learn how to take pictures, because pictures make things pleasant. If you're not a good writer, you better use video or pictures. Can you press the record button? Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Can you press the shutter on the camera? Mm-hmm. When I say pleasantly presented, does it mean just words? No. You have forgotten that Facebook is all about pictures. Yes? So, there. Again, what is pleasant to you anyway? Start thinking about yourself. Ang pleasant lang ba sa'yo words? Can drawings be unpleasant? How about diagrams? I don't know. It's up to you. What's pleasant? So for 4 weeks, you will discuss the problem. And for the next 4 weeks in the second month, you will discuss the solution. And if you don't know what I mean by pleasant, then maybe you should enroll in the online mentoring club because that's what we're going to do. Okay, month one, month two, you will pleasantly present the problem. In month two, you will solve the problem using your own research, using interviews, using stories, and then you will compile P and S. Now, while you're talking about the problem and talking about the solution, people will start reading your stuff, especially if you post it in Facebook. Pictures in Facebook, videos on Facebook, words on Facebook. They will start paying attention. Yes or no? Once they start paying attention, you will get their emails because they're going to ask you questions. Yes or no? Is it normal for them to ask questions? Considering you're talking about a problem in great detail and you're pleasantly presenting it, what do you think? What do you think? Common sense lang. What do you think? Okay. Now, there's a formula in coming up with the solution. You will not figure it out yourself because I'm going to assume you don't know the answer, right? Actually, you don't know the answer. Hindi nga, you don't know the answer. I'm going to assume you don't know. That's why there is such a thing called research. And that's where we teach you in the online mentoring club how to do the research. Kasi assume mo talaga hindi mo alam ang sagot, right? Research mo yan. And we guide you how to do the research if you don't know how to do your research. An example of research is you have favorite authors, what would they say? Ganon. Okay, now that you've done your research, then you present it. And here's where the ebook will come in. You compile PNS and you turn it into one ebook. And then you sell that to everybody who asks you a question. Yung PNS, yung nasa Facebook, sell that. Or, remember, the more pictures you have, the better your ebook is. So, I suggest you use a lot of pictures. Or, so you compile PNS. Now, hindi pa tapos because bago kayo umiyak, ay, Jomar, walang bumili, isa lang. Pasalamat ka may bumiling isa. Because that's just the exercise. That's just the test. There are how many months in a year? There are 10 more months. Guess what? What are you going to do the next 10 months? You're going to repeat. By the time you're ending 10 months, 12 months, you have created 6 ebooks. Some of them sold, some of them not sold, but for sure you will receive money from the internet because we'll teach you how. So there, that's the formula. Just using plain common sense as far as I'm concerned, but there it is. Discuss the problem pleasantly, solve the problem. You don't know the answer, you research, you compile the P and your S, your first 2 months into an ebook, sell it to everyone who asks you about it, sell it to your friends. Don't expect your friends to buy, expect the friend of your friends to buy because that's how psychology works. If nobody buys, continue with the next month. That's how it works. Um, by the way, there is a rule against following the corporate. This is the corporate rule that is never followed in business. Do it right the first time. Hindi tayo perfect. Unless you are, you must be Jesus. Because you don't expect to earn a lot on the first 2 months. You never do. It will be great if you were perfect on the first month. We would like to know your secret, but really expect a few sales or none on the first month, first try. But there will be. Okay, that's for sure. Okay, because you have at least by the time you finish this thing, which is a 1 year thing, there will be 12 months and 6 ebooks out there for sale, and somebody will find it because of the way you did it. Ito, PNS, and they will sell. They will buy from you. Again, the question would be, why would they buy books? Because you compiled something and it's personal. That's why they will buy it. If it was not personal, it's just generic information, they will never buy it. And that is the secret to fast tracking an online business. By the way, if you're selling a physical product, it's the same formula. Ah. So, Jomar, nag-MLM ako. Yes. Nagbebenta ako ng health products. Yes, Yusana. Ito gagawin ko. Maghahanap ako ng problema na sinosolve ng produkto ko, payat na bata. I will pleasantly present my point of view on that personal problem, correct? For 1 month, yes. And ang solution mo, yung pambata mong vitamins na binigay sa inyo ng Yusana. Tapos, magre-research ako, simple step by step na pwedeng gawin ng tao na para tumaba ang mga anak nilang payat. Tapos galing sa point of view ko, dapat may kilala akong ganon. Magbibigay ako ng storya ng mga taong kilala ko or mga taong hindi ko kilala, ni-research ko lang sa internet, bibigay ko yung solution sa kanila, idadagdag ko yung Usana health drink sa solution. Correct. Pero ang solution mo, hindi Usana health drink lang. Ang solution mo, kasama yung health drink mo. Okay, I'm now ready for reactions. Uh, so that's the framework, that's the format, that's how you would start in online business in 2 months. By the way, online businesses would grow if you have email addresses. Kaya ako sinimulaan kayo doon. If you have no email addresses, forget it. Okay, and you must have all the structures that you need to run an online business. And I don't mean Facebook. I don't mean Facebook. I mean everything you need to run an online business should be prepared in that time. Okay. Now, I'm telling you this because this is how it's done. And I also acknowledge that some of you have no idea how it's done because, oh, sige, may alam ako sa Facebook. Tapos, ayan, di ba bitin ano? So, let me just tell you your option if you want to be guided in this journey. Does anyone want to be guided in this journey? Want to do this, pero with guidance? I will probably give you 2 minutes to answer. Also, question. You might want to ask a question regarding this thing. Pwede rin. Oh, tama, Cassie. If you're selling a service, it's identical. It's really just identical. Present the problem pleasantly using your point of view, and you research, you do it in detail, make it pleasant ang presentation. You do it in detail, you do research, you beef up your solution with the story, you give a simple step by step for people who have the same problem, and you include your service into the solution. Ibig sabihin, your service is not the only solution. Your service is one of the solutions lang. Para fair dun sa storya kasi this is the story you put out in the internet. Okay. The ebook will be priced based on your courage. 1,000 pesos, depende, takot ka ba sa 1,000? Eh di less than. Hindi ako nagbibiro ah. The pricing of your ebook will be based on your courage. Tapang. Tapang mo talaga. Okay? So how do you build up the list? Exactly as I said. You don't find emails, they find you. This is how you do it. You mention, okay, let me tell you how it's done literally. Okay? Pag na-create mo na yung messages mo na ganyan, okay? By the way, this is what we're going to teach you in the online mentoring club. So, pag na-create mo na yung message mo, naman, nagawa mo na yung mensahe, no? Ay, sorry, masyadong malaki. Dali. How do you spread the word so people will find out about the problem and the solution? Kasi, yun importante, spreading the word. Hindi pwedeng, PNS lang, tapos nilagay mo sa Facebook mo, tapos na, di ba? Hindi. You have to spread the word. And to spread the word, the thing you're going to do is called content marketing. That's what they call it, but I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. Wait. Again, I'm not telling this para takutin kayo ah. This is how we're going to do it. This is not scary, but for some people na first timer sa internet, baka sabihin nyo, dami naman. Eh, ganun talaga. Ganun talaga. Okay? Marami kayong ginagawa sa trabaho, di ba? O, ganun din. Okay, so You put first it in your Facebook, the story you in the first month you put in your Facebook. Okay, that's how first part to spread the word. You create a Facebook page, you put it there. Yung FB mo, yan yung personal. Yung FB page, yan yung hindi personal. Tungkol sa problem yan. Then you put it in a blog in WordPress. That's a blog, diary. You put it in YouTube. You convert the problem into a video. Yep, you convert the problem into a video. Yung discussion mo dun sa essay mo on the pleasantly presented problem, you convert it into a video. You turn that video into an image. That image, you put it in Pinterest, an extremely long image. And that video, you convert it into slide, so, or PowerPoint. You put it in SlideShare. Okay? This one will spread the word about your problem and your solution. And ano pa ba? Meron pa to eh. That's how you start. That's how you spread the word. Ano to? Instagram, yeah. If you have Instagram, you also put it in Instagram. And if you have Twitter, you also put it in Twitter. Now there. So, wow, if it's something that you find na marami talaga yan, because this is how you spread the word. You have a problem, you want to solve it, you want the world to see it. If they see it and they like your story, they will try to find out your solution. When they see your solution, they want to know more, and they see your ebook or your printed book. Pwede naman siyang printed book, pero start mo sa ebook, and they will buy from you. That's normal. This is the normal way of doing it. You spread the word about your PS formula, and people will buy from you. There, that's the formula that will follow to spread the word. There are other places, pero hindi naman kailangan i-discuss ngayon. Now, I would love to discuss how to assist you if you want to do this. Again, I need to know anybody interested in assistance. Okay. Ask ko lang uli, may ibibigay po bang Shopee? Ano pong gagawin daw po namang ebook? 12 pages Tama po ba? Intindi ko. Okay, okay, okay. So topics. Okay. So let's talk about how to start this thing. So there's a lot of people when they try to do an online business, ang problema nila topic. They don't know what topic to talk about, right? Am I right? Yes or no? Okay. Alam mo yung proseso, ayan, ito na yung proseso. Alam mo yung formula. You have no idea what you're talking about. And when I ask you about your passions, you clam up and you say nothing, which is typical, really. A lot of people don't know the topic, and kahit passion, tatanungin mo sila, walang mangyayari. Hindi rin nila alam passion nila. Di ba? Okay. Um, Let me just tell you up front. It's frustrating to do this if you don't start anywhere. Kung wala kang tutulong sa'yo. So if you are planning on doing it on yourself, prepare yourself for frustration, because that's how I started. Okay? So I went to Singapore in 2007. I tried to learn from a mentor whose name is Stephen Pierce. I paid him 60,000 pesos, and he wasn't very clear, but he did his best, I think, at that time, but he wasn't very clear. And my 60,000 pesos really didn't go very far with him. So it's really frustrating to start. He didn't help me with topics either. So would if I gave you a topic, I gave you two topics and you agreed to do it, would that help you? Okay? Because ang topic na panggagalingan natin is based on the normal human needs. Alam mo yung mga normal human needs and wants? Ganun lang naman eh. So, one of the topics would be something about money. Diba? Something about money. If you created a topic about money, related to money, then most likely papansinin ka ng tao. Makakakilala mo sa Facebook, mga tao na nasa Pinterest, nasa YouTube, ganyan. Papansinin ka talaga nila. So that's one topic you can start with. Now, to make this all organized, kinreate namin yung online mentoring club para ma-deliver namin lahat ng assistance na pwede namin mabigay sa inyo. Now, the online mentoring club is designed for people who want to be guided with a mentor for 12 months. And it used to be that people pick their own topic. Pero sa totoo lang, no, 99% of people, gusto nilang topic, people don't want to buy. You know, gusto mong topic tungkol kay Jesus. People don't want to buy stuff you write about Jesus. Kasi, let's say, the way you present the problem, hindi pleasant. Or wala ka naman talagang personal take, personal point of view kay Jesus like Bo Sanchez does. So, hindi mo magawa-gawang mabenta yung Jesus na topic. Though sila Bo Sanchez, sila Joel Austin, kayang-kaya nilang ibenta yung Jesus na topic, di ba? So, para na lang matigil yung problema na I love this topic and nobody wants to buy anything about it, then let's just start with the topic that I'm going to give you. Okay? However, in online mentoring club, ngayon there are two different paths to take. Okay, let me just show you. Okay. And the path is the my own topic para sa matatapang na tao. Hindi ko na sinasuggest na i-take niyo yan, promise lang ah. So, let me talk about the online mentoring club. The, the mentoring club we did in 2008 that addresses this need. Okay? In OMC2, the second version, you pick a topic. So, meron kasama yung OMC2 sa OMC3. So, OMC3 is the third version. Online Mentoring Club is a 12 months program that helps you create an income online. Okay? And nung version 2, we ask you to pick a topic. In version 3, we pick a topic for you. So, pili ka. Ngayon, normally we don't ask you to pick a topic. You will just assume na hindi mo alam ang topic mo, we'll just pick a topic for you and you can run with it. Okay? And then we'll supply you with all the tools you need to, ano ba yung laman yan? Create a blog, do research, um, get images, get videos, everything you need para ma-create mo yung blog mo. We also give you the tools to do Facebook marketing para makilala yung topic mo sa Facebook. Okay, we also give you some Pinterest marketing stuff. Yan, yan. So essentially, what I outlined in the P and the S will teach you in the online mentoring club. Okay. By the way we did this is super slow. Okay, we don't throw it at you. It's slow. Now, if you're the fast type of person, I suggest you open up the OMC2. Nandyan na lahat yung 25 lessons. If you're the slow type of person, ayaw mabulunan, you go follow the OMC3 path. Ang sabihin ng slow, we will not give you 25 lessons sabay-sabay. We'll give you one. You'll wait 2 weeks, we'll send you another one. It's that slow. Okay? And the reason we do it slowly because we want you to learn. Once you start learning the everything in the next 2-3 months, then you can start repeating it for the PNS, paulit-ulit na lang. Okay? Because we need you to create all those 6 ebooks to find out which one will actually sell more. Because, di ba sinabi ko nga, don't expect na mag-succeed yung first ebook mo. Ang kailangan, matutunan mo yung skill to create the P and the S para when you create your second ebook, mas maganda na. Okay? So, OMC is the online mentoring club. Sorry, hindi ko na-define. Hindi ko na-define. Okay. So, that's the path for the online mentoring club that we've designed for you. Masyado na mamaliit ito. Okay. So this is a step-by-step tutorial session. There are very little videos. It's all done in PowerPoint. So if you want to know how to make a blog, we'll teach you how to make a blog. And if you want to know how to create a Facebook page, we'll teach you exactly how to make a Facebook page. And let me just show you some human beings na dating natulungan namin. Human beings, tao. Because, sandali lang I'll just have to look for the presentation. Because this program has been running for, mga 4 years na, I think, 2008. Ano bang taon na ngayon? Yun. So we have helped a lot of people already. to do this, to earn money online. Okay. Okay, here are some of the people that I've helped in the past. So let me just show you there. This is not the face of the human being. This is the face of John Max. Okay, so 18-year-old John Mac Hilado. His picture is not here. This is the wrong slide. But anyway, this is his Facebook page. He's now an author today. He's now a public speaker. He started learning from me when he was 17 years old. And now he runs an online business in Cebu. Secret, he earned his first 100,000 pesos learning from me on his first year. That's a secret. So he's a college dropout, now a successful online entrepreneur. Now, Larry Gamboa, which you know is the guru of Think Rich Pinoy, I started teaching him online marketing when he started. And I did online marketing for him for 2 years. Right? 2 years. So, and the stuff that I've been teaching in the online mentoring club, this is the same stuff I teach Larry Gamboa. Okay. Bo Sanchez is actually one of the very first people where I applied all the online marketing lessons that I'm teaching in the online mentoring club. Actually, it's his idea. That's why I taught now teach online mentoring, online marketing to people. He said you better teach people how to do online marketing, and that's why I'm here. He told me to teach you guys. Okay. So I actually handle all of the websites of Bo Sanchez when it comes to marketing. Okay. So here's somebody who's not a superstar, as big as that. Foreclosurephilippines.com is the website of Jay Castillo, and Jay was one of my guinea pigs when I created the online mentoring club. I test drove the system with him in a mall. Nasa mall kami tinuturo ko sa kanya. Okay, so that's Jay Castillo. He's the man behind the biggest foreclosure investing resource in the country. Gadget Grocery, I taught the owner of this website, who is Audi Villarasa, how to do online marketing in 2009. Okay, he's also a feast builder, and there's a lot of people I've taught. Here's some of the pictures of these people: si Alan Ngo, si Laurent Janicio, si Casey Macapagal, si Shana Sino, si Brian Uy, Red Denal, Gia, Vince Golanco of When in Manila, and that's Jan Max picture. So these are the graduates of the online mentoring club and graduates of the mentoring that I've done before I did the online mentoring club, which is a live workshop. And they will attest. If you ask any of them today, did you learn anything from Jomar? Can you tell me if he's the real thing? Yeah, they'll answer you on their own. They'll answer you whatever they want to say, but they'll definitely tell you they got something from the mentoring that I gave to them, especially until now. Okay, so that's the online mentoring club. Ang tawag sa parade of witnesses. Okay, so for those interested in what you're seeing, and we're now formally opening the online mentoring club to those interested. This is a paid mentoring. It's 1 year, and I really want you to become one of my success stories. Okay, and if you are willing to be one of my success stories, can you say yes? What does a success story mean? It means within a few months from now, you will learn the skill. Okay? You'll learn the skill of doing the P's and the S and the FF. Okay? You will learn the skill. Now, it's very important to learn the skill first before you earn money, because if you learn the skill, you can use it to earn money in many different ways online. Okay? So the overall value of the online mentoring club is around 100,000 pesos. And that's because we will support you the whole year. Most mentoring clubs will support you for 3 months. Okay, you will not get to talk to the mentor. You understand? They'll just there, but they won't answer you directly. Unlike us, we actually support you. You have a virtual assistant assigned to the mentoring club, so you'll always have somebody to talk to. The questions are answered within a week's time, or sometimes within a few days' time. You have a question, we answer it. So the value that you're looking at is 106,370. We are not charging you this value. This is the value we're giving you. Okay. And the value that we're giving you includes some bonuses, and that bonuses you'll get a seminar, a 9 hour, 6 hour seminar I did on how to start in online marketing. So instead of just waiting to be available in Manila, we're gonna send you the seminar how to start in online marketing. It's a longer version of what I gave today, and we're gonna send you some marketing master insider lessons, which is another 37,000 peso value that I putting it there, and you get access to the old OMC2 lessons of last year. Okay, so if you want to start, this is repetitions. Just a moment. I'm looking for the slides that you need to see. Okay, there it is. So if you want to start with online mentoring club, you just go. We are not charging you 100,000 pesos. The 1 year premium membership is only 24,975. This is 1 year premium membership. Okay. So the website to go to is jhilary.com/omc3 premium. The premium membership has a lot more bonuses. Okay, there's a lot more bonuses. Actually, the list of bonuses is a bit long. How to create advertising videos, how to know the best ideas to making money online, how to have more clients for your business. So those are the additional bonuses you will get if you get the premium online mentoring club na 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 offer, and it's only 24,975. Okay, now there is another option. That's for if it's that's actually for 1 year. Now, before you say, wow, was that gonna last for 1 year? Actually, the reality is the Online Mentoring Club 3 will be updated to Online Mentoring Club 4, and you don't have to pay anything. You understand me? Online Mentoring Club 4 will be updated to Online Mentoring 5 because the internet changes all the time and you don't have to pay any extra. Do you understand? We update our lessons as long as I'm alive. So that's what you get for your 24,975. So you have lifetime access to the lessons, okay? Access to all the graduates you've seen there. They're going to help you if you talk to them. It's designed to be slow and designed to never make you overwhelmed. Okay. Okay. We also do not use technical talk inside the online mentoring club. We explain everything in simple English in using pictures because I absolutely love pictures. Okay. And you will be have access to like-minded people and the future generation of online marketers. So so you can be one of those successful entrepreneurs who came under my influence, and I showed you their pictures earlier. Okay, so let me just look for my slides. Now, for those of you who are looking for something else, so, mukhang Jomar, that's not for me. So, ganong sa klaseng gimmick. How about this one? Maybe you'd like this one. We created a dream deal. The dream deal is what we call the tamad path, meaning you don't want to work so hard, but you're willing to pay somebody to do it, right? You want to have an online business and you're willing to pay someone to do it. Would you be interested in that? If you want to do all these things, okay, do all these things, but you want somebody else to do it, we created a dream deal wherein you have a virtual assistant to do it for you. So your job is to put in the ideas, okay, and the online mentoring club virtual assistant will do the techie stuff. Is that a good deal? So you come up with the with initial ideas, what you want to do, or just say yes to what I tell you to do, and then the online mentoring club virtual assistant under the dream deal will do the stuff for you. They will make a Facebook page for you. They will make a blog in WordPress for you. We'll even give you the free WordPress blog hosted blog with domain name. You know what that? You know what I mean? So that's a dream deal. The technical part will be handled for you, and all you need to do is say yes to this, yes to that, yes to this, yes to that. Okay, you need to say yes, otherwise the virtual assistant will not know what to do. Okay, so if you get a dream deal, I'll give you a private webinar with somebody who's been a successful student of mine. I think that would be valuable to you to learn the ins and outs of somebody who's learned in the past. You get a copy of my seminar that I gave for Bo Sanchez that only people who paid a lot of money for. Okay, I have an online promotion seminar. I gave it to Bo Sanchez crowds. They paid a lot of money for it, about 75,000 bucks. And I'm gonna give you my copy of my presentation. And I have a Wealth Summit talk, which people paid like 10,000 for. You can get a copy of that too. And for the dream deal, we're going to meet you 4 times a year. Okay. 4 times a year. You're gonna come up to Manila and we're gonna see each other 4 times a year. So there's a live meetup for the dream deal. Okay. So the dream deal is valued at 142,000. It's now just 39,375. It's just a little bit more than the premium. So the dream deal, you get access to a virtual assistant to do your stuff for you, make your blog, make your Facebook, make the painful technical stuff go away so you can start putting stuff into the Facebook, start putting stuff into the WordPress, and all doing the keywords research and all the technical stuff. You don't have to do it. The VA will do it for you. Of course, the VA will only be limited to doing the stuff we say inside the online mentoring club, but you will have somebody to hold your hand, not just me, but also the virtual assistant who happens to know more than both of us. Okay, so that's a dream deal. Now, before you say, how much is a virtual assistant? You try to consider paying a virtual assistant 10,000 a month. That's the normal rate, part time. Okay, 39,000 is 12 months. So let's do some math. 39,000 375 divided by 12 is essentially like paying a virtual assistant how much? 3,281 a month. If you want to hire your own virtual assistant, I am happy to tell you you can get them as 10,000 pesos a month times 12 for 1 month, 1 year. So you're going to pay 120,000 pesos just to get a virtual assistant. Please note that this is a technical person, this virtual assistant. Hindi siya tagaluto, tagahugas ng pinggan. A virtual assistant is somebody who knows WordPress, who knows your Facebook pages, or is very skilled in putting posts in the internet. So try to give some respect naman to the virtual assistant, no? Hindi naman siya mabubuhay sa 1,000 pesos. Very skilled naman yung tao na 'yon. So we're giving the services of the virtual assistant to you for a very reasonable price of 39,375 for 12 months. 12 months. Okay. But of course, if you're saying this is too much, then it's really not for you. Really, I told you the process how to do it. You can do it by yourself if you want. We're offering the online mentoring club specifically for people who would like to be guided, no, who believes in investing more in themselves than in your cell phone. Can you type this in? I invest more in myself than in my cell phone. Kasi when you buy the cell phone, you buy a case, 1,000 pesos. You buy load, how much? 300 to 1,000 pesos a month. You buy, what else? What else do you buy? Your cell phone is probably 30,000 pesos, yes? And you buy more stuff for it. Until masira siya, you still buy load, you still buy load, you still buy load. Sometimes you buy the trinkets that come with it, no? And of course, some of you will be so proud that you have a very old phone. But the thing is, do you invest more in yourself than in your cell phone? Pa rin. Bumibili ka pa ng apps. That's my point. I mean, if once upon a time buying a cell phone was unthinkable, which was true, no? There was a time wala namang cellphones ang mga tao. But now, you're buying a cell phone. Why not invest more in yourself? Because when you join gagamit mo sa work or sa business mo, ang dami-dami. We teach you marketing mindset. We teach you how to think like an entrepreneur. We give you access to entrepreneurs. Okay? And if you want to compare it with every other online stuff out there, okay? Dan Kennedy's Renegade Millionaire System, $1,500. Okay? Dan Kennedy Online Marketing System, $600, no updates. DVDs and manual, hindi online. Yung kay Ramit Sethi, Earn 1K, $600. No updates. One time lang siya. Yung Authority ROI Ryan Dice, creating a website lang. Walang Facebook, walang YouTube, walang Pinterest. $300, no updates. Ang online mentoring club ko, $625. Comparable. Lasts forever. Comprehensive online lessons and coaching. Meron pang live meetup. We update it and you can ask the guru personally. Yeah? So, that's it. That's all I'm saying. Compared to all these other gurus that we all bought other stuff, no. The online mentoring club is really really low priced because you get a lot more. Next year you can learn from it again because we will update it, di ba? So, asa na tayo? Let me check my time. Okay, so let's draw the winner of the passion contest. Online Mentoring Club Dream. By the way, here's some stuff na sinabi nila ng mga members ng Online Mentoring Club. Jomer showed me how to grow my business through the internet. So far, I have at least 60% of my new business leads coming from the internet, sabi ni Brian Uy. James Hunyo said, Jomar, your lessons are step by step, which is good for a techno-challenged person like me. Sabi ni Luis de Los Angeles, with Jomar's lessons, my blog is now viewed 270,000 times. Investing in the Philippines.blogpost.com, blogspot.com. Okay. So read aloud if you see that you want to be luckier than what I just said, here it is. You can avail of the dream by 3,495. The dream deal, you can do 12 monthly payments, 3,495. Kaya na? Hmm? The dream deal, pwede yan, 12 monthly payments. Actually, premium din, pwedeng 12 monthly payments. So, pwede ka mag-installment. Pwede pala yun. Pwedeng installment. Okay? So, premium deal is just 2,275 a month. Pwede rin siyang installment. Okay. So, but if you pay in full, no, on or before September 3, we do have some more bonuses for you. And that bonus is you'll receive a free 1-year hosted WordPress blog, and my VA will create a blog for you. Parang dream deal, but this time we'll just create the blog and give you the admin password. And if you're the first to sign up and pay full and in cash, so you have to be the first to sign, one of the first 3 to sign up and in full and in cash or credit card. Pag sinabing cash, credit card din, pwede rin yan. You will receive 1 month access to my Wealth Ideas Media Vault and my Webinar Vault. Ano ba yon? Yung Webinar Vault, nandun lahat ng webinars ko for the past 2 years. Yung Wealth Ideas Media Vault, yun yung mga nire-research ko ngayon. So if you are the first 3 to sign up and pay in full, in cash or credit card, basta full, okay, you get access to my Wealth Ideas Media Vault, which nobody else has access to except me, and the Webinar Vault. Remember, the Webinar Vault contains probably, I don't know, 40 webinars that are completely very valuable. Okay, so Wealth Ideas Media Vault, these are resources I use now to inspire, inform, and create my programs. This is up to date now, okay? And you have up to September 3 to pay. And the Webinar Vault contains the tons of webinars that I've done since I started 2000 last year. Okay. So if you're one of the first 5 to sign up for the premium and dream deals, ang makukuha nyo ay access to my Wealth Ideas Media Vault. First 5. Next 5 pala. Next 5. Alam mo, malabo to, malabo. Panay next to. Dapat next to, hindi yan. If you one of the next five. So first three, okay? First three, let's be clear. The first three, you'll get both vaults. First three people to sign up in full. Tapos, the next five, you will just get the Wealth Ideas Media Vault. So next, so first eight yon. Tapos, if the next 27 to sign up, one wants access to the webinar vault. So, dapat you guys sign up for full. Dapat full lang. Okay? For full payment, you get access to these vaults, which is very, very good. Yes, Kath. Na-mute ko. Okay, na-mute ko yung sarili ko, so I'll just repeat what I just said. If you pay in full for the online mentoring club and the deadline is September 3, September 3. If you pay in full, the first three people will get the Wealth Ideas Media Vault and the Webinar Vault. The next five will get only the Wealth Ideas Media Vault, and the next 27 will get the Webinar Vault. That's to pay in full. If you want to access the details of this entire program, just go to jhilary.com slash online mentoring 3. And that's the website for the online mentoring club. I just said na if you are willing to be mentored anyway, just go to that site now. Actually, there's a direct link and pay now para mauna ka na. Okay? Mauna ka na sa kanila. Let me just go there. There's direct links there. Here's the direct links. OMC3 Premium, OMC3 Dream. Those are the direct links para mauna ka na because you're willing ka naman. By the way, as as with all the other programs we have, there is a money back guarantee. There is a BDO or a BPI option if you want to do that. You can remit money if you're in another country because this is an online program. The only thing that's not online is the Dream Deal monthly meetups. Okay. So those are the offers available to you. Remember, our deadline is up to September 3. And after that, we will not be issuing the bonuses anymore. We will not be giving you the access to the webinar vault and the wealth ideas vaults. Okay. So let's just give you the summary. Ilalagay ko sa mind map to para mas madaling maintindihan in diagram form, di ba? Mas madali natin naintindihan ng diagram form. Again, I'm very notorious for simplifying stuff. So if you were after simple stuff and you easy to understand stuff, eto na yon. Eto na yung hinahanap mo. And the last time we opened this was 1.5 years ago. Okay? We actually don't always open the online mentoring club for public. It matagal since inopen namin to. So if you wanna avail of this, you have 2 weeks. You have 2 weeks to decide if you really want to invest more in yourself or in your cell phone. Because sa totoo lang, a lot of us invest more in our cell phones. It's time to change that mindset na our cell phone is more important, our status is more important, but our wallet is suffering. Ano yan? Okay, everybody who joins the online mentoring club, they get to get my personal answers to their questions. Okay, the virtual assistant doesn't actually answer the questions. I do it. Okay, kung may tanong kayo, na-miss ko yung tanong, the VA will, my VA Danielle, she will go to the club site. She will tell me where your question is, and I will go look for your question and answer it. That's how we do it. Kasi we want to give personalized answers to your questions. We don't want to keep you guessing. We also don't want to keep you hindi nyo alam ang sagot. Okay? So there, that's the summary of the payments. Pakita ko lang na medyo malaki yung summary ng payments para masaya before we draw the winner of the online mentoring club. So there's a contest that we ran, and one of the winners gets access to this one, to the online mentoring club. Okay? So let's take a look at the winners. Ready na kayo? Siyempre, dapat lang. Siguro naman ready na kayo. So these are the links, shortcut links. If you're if you have already decided that you are more important than your own cell phone, so let's tago ko lang muna baka makita niyo yung winners agad eh. Puntahan ko lang yung winners list para saya. And we have a surprise. We also have a surprise. So stay put if you want to see the surprise. You might you might like the surprise. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, here it is. The winners of the passion contest where people declared their passion online and invited their friends to vote on their pictures. The winners, third prize winner, you get an idea journal and pen. It's already here. It's beside me. And we'll give it to you, probably mail it to you if you're far away, or you can pick it up. The third prize winner of the idea journal pen is Julius Viron with 369 votes. This is his picture. Every mountaintop is within reach if you just keep climbing. Okay, so Julius wins that diary and pen. Okay, the next one, a winner of the legal audiobook from Audible. You just tell me what audiobook you want, or I'll vote. I'll just find one for you. Could be the 4 Hour Work Week. It's up to you. I'll just send it to your email. This is legal. It's not an illegal audiobook. Winner second prize is Lord Alcomendras. 568 votes. That's his picture. Okay, so Lord, I think came from where did Lord come from? Negros Occidental. Okay, I think he was with us yesterday sa seminar. And the winner, the grand prize winner for the free OMC3 membership valued at 106,000 pesos. Do you want to know who the winner is? Alam niyo na siguro. Can you guess? Who is the winner? The online mentoring club. Everything I mentioned earlier. Okay, this guy wins it. Of course, not. It's not a dream deal. It's this is the deal. This is the premium deal. This is not the dream deal. Okay, here it is. The winner is Nat Reyes with 1,150 votes. This is his picture. And do you want to know the secret? How Nat Reyes won? By the way, nag-eliminate kami ng cheaters. Anybody I didn't mention is one of the cheaters or two of the cheaters. We eliminated people who got people who were not human beings to vote. Okay? And I will tell you the secret how Nath won. But before that, let's talk about the consolation prizes. Here it is. Runner up is Cristel May Pasigado. Please take notes. We have a surprise for you. Runner up is Wilbert Lirag. Note, we have a surprise for you. Ralph Solomon, 90 votes. We have a surprise for you. Cons Zabala, we have a surprise for you. Joy Sibowa, we also have a surprise for you for joining the contest. Noemi Mora and Junar Nabong. And then picture ni Junar. You are now entitled to a 30% discount for the online mentoring club. That's our surprise. So everybody I mentioned na nag-runner up at saka nag-second prize at nag syempre di first prize at nag-third prize, you are entitled to a 30% discount. I-contact na lang kayo directly ng VA team ko for the discount coupon. Okay, if you're interested in getting the online mentoring club, which I suggest you do, 30% off. Now, the answer to the question, bakit nanalo si Nat Reyes? Ang simple-simple naman kasi. Pay attention if you want to win contests in the future. We will have contests in the future. Do you want to know the answer? What is the answer? Why did Nat Reyes wins? One. Ang corny. He is a winner by heart. He got his students to vote for him. Nope. Sabihin ko na sa inyo para masaya. He paid attention to the rules of the game. Pay attention to the rules of the game and you will win. That's a that has a double meaning. The first meaning is literally this is what Nat did. He told people he knew to join the contest. He didn't tell people he knew to vote for him. If you join the contest and I invited you, you instantly get 5 votes. If you join the contest and I invited you, I get 5 votes. So every human being na in-invite ni Nath mag-join got him 5 votes. Everybody else was asking people to what? Vote for me. Okay? Si Nath, he asked them to vote, but he also asked them to join. Every person he convinces to join gives him 5 votes. Everybody knew about that rule. Not everybody understood that there are certain things you can do in life that will enable you to get ahead. Do you want to know what are those things in life that mas mabibilis ang win mo? Do you want to know what those things are? In this contest, the rule that was stated was if you get people to join under you, you get 5 points. It's like getting 5 people to vote. Diba? So yung vote ni Junar na 50 votes could have been 150. No, could have been 50 times 5. 250 votes if he only asked those people to join. Now, in life, there is a rule. And one of those rules says, get a mentor. Yon, ang simple-simple. Get a mentor. So if you get a mentor, you get ahead in life faster. What kind of mentor should you get? A mentor you hardly see or a mentor who looks at your work? Yan, yan. Yan yung mga rules in life. Anong klaseng mentor kukunin mo? Yung mentor na hindi mo nakikita, na binabasa mo sa libro, o yung mentor na nakikita yung work mo, talks to you, walks with you, checks your work, tells you what to do, guides you? What kind of mentors do you want? And eto pang tanong, when do you plan to get this mentor? Pagyaman mo? Or are you gonna follow exactly what we did? Wala kaming kapera-pera, nag-credit card debt kami para magkaroon kami ng mentor, which is exactly what we did. That's why we're ahead in life a little bit. We're ahead in life a little bit than most people because we did figure that if we can credit card an, a, a cell phone, we can credit card a computer, we can credit card any expensive thing like a gift to the wife, a camera, we can credit card knowledge, we can credit card investment in mentoring. Yun. With that, I would like to end the webinar. Overtime na ako by 30 minutes. But I hope you got something far more than you bargained for in this webinar. I hope you found hope and I hope you found direction that you've been looking for in your life. Salamat for listening, and there will be a recording of this. We'll be posting it in the Jomer Hilario Mastery Group. If you've never heard of it, it's a Facebook group wherein we talk about life, we talk about stuff, we talk about online marketing, and it's also known as my living room. So just go to jhilario.com/jhmastery group, and you can see jhmastery lang pala, and you can discuss things, ask questions there. Um, Di pala nakabukas yung Facebook dito. Bonk. Bottom line, let me invite you finally to go visit the website of the Online Mentoring Club. It's this one, Online Mentoring 3. It's jhilar.com/online mentoring 3. You know where to find me. You have my email. Just click reply if you have a question. I'll see you on the other side, and do evaluate and say yes to investing more in yourself than in your cell phone or your camera or your TV or your aircon. Okay? Because you really deserve it. Okay? So thank you and have a great and wonderful, marvelous evening. By the way, if you have questions, Nikki is still online to answer it. I will not finish the webinar until you get your answers. So good night. See you later.
The organizer